Hi guys, it's Sean with Team Out 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a little bit of money on your JVZoo purchases or your Warrior Plus purchases.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?
A lot of product vendors will offer discounts and they're kind of hidden from sight. You don't know that you would get a discount. Okay, the first way you can get a discount is by buying the product on the day it's released. You'll notice that like here it says early bird price is $17.97. Then the next day it goes to $19.97, and then it goes to $21.97, $22.97, $23.97, $24.97, and then after that it goes to $37.97. Many times I've missed that window and felt cheated because I ended up paying $20 more for something that I really wanted or needed. That's just one way you can get a discount. Another way you can get a discount is through bonuses. It's not really a discount, you just get a lot more for your money. So let's say you would go to Google, and the product I'm looking for is Clickbank Profit Sites Bonus. Okay, so here is a massive bonus. This is a really good one. Sometimes there'll be ads up here, and the ads will sometimes have some good bonuses. This one, I'm pretty sure I already have. There's no sense in grabbing bonuses you already have. But any product you want, there's always going to be people that offer bonuses, and I'm going to grab the bonuses from this guy this time. If you scroll down, here's his bonuses. They just go on and on and on and on. And he's got several packages. So this guy kind of does it right. I did one the other day that had like $25,000 worth of bonuses, and it was all in the same package. So it didn't matter if I ordered the front end or a different product. I'm going to get the same bonuses every time I ordered through that guy. So obviously I'm smart enough, I'm not going to keep ordering through the same vendor or the same affiliate, because I would just get offered the same stuff that I've already got. So if you come down here, now sometimes you got to jump through some hoops, but you've got to let him know. You send him your receipt and you tell him which bonus package you want. Okay, so you go with the graphics package, the affiliate marketing package, email package, general package. So he's got it set up. He's got 2, 4, 6, 7 different packages, and those are what we just scrolled through. Not gonna waste time doing all that, but you'll get the idea when you do it. Okay, so that's how we get the bonuses. Now, the other way you get a discount is a lot of times you'll come to what are called one-time offer pages. This is after you've already purchased the product. Okay, so this is the one-time offer page. They want to sell me an unlimited version of the product, whereas I think it's limited to five products you can have, or 5 reviews, and they will sell me the unlimited version for $67. But if you click the no thank you, voila, they're going to give you $20 off. So you can get the exact same thing for $20 less. A lot of times they'll remove some of the bonuses they have. I don't know if he had bonuses on that page, but to make it fair to people that pay $20 more, they'll remove a couple bonuses. But you still get what you wanted out of it, which is the unlimited access. So that's another way you can save money. One other way, I don't have it right here, but sometimes when you're on the main offer page, you come up to your window to back out of it, and a drop down box will pop down and say, hey, you qualify for $5, so off, or $3 off, or whatever. But it's a good idea to always check those to see if they do that. The little X will trigger it as well. But okay, so that's it. Hope you save a lot of money, and you definitely can get a lot more value for your money by searching for bonuses before you purchase a product. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, let me know, and I'll make some more.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?